Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. This video is going to be a time lapse of me cutting my 18-inch long crochet hair to the length that it's at right now. Because day 1 of having this hair in was annoying, day 2 was annoying, day 3 was annoying, and it had to go. So if you want to see me cut my hair, keep on watching. This is what the hair looked like before I cut it. And this is the matting I got on day 1 up until day 3 when I finally cut it. Now let's just get into the cutting. My first cut, I knew the angle that I wanted, but I just couldn't get my hand placement right. So that first cut was really awkward and it ended up going down instead of going up like it was supposed to. But I still had a lot more to cut, so that first cut did not ruin the entire style. I was so relieved right here. I was like, oh yeah, I like this so much better already. I ended up keeping this hair in for an entire month, and after I cut it, like, I would definitely use this hair again, but instead of keeping it at 18 inches, I would just cut it in half and then fold it over like that, because the 18 inches was just too much and I could have saved so much money if I would have just cut it from the beginning. After the length was pretty much where I wanted it, you'll see me tilt my head and body to the side and cut upwards, but at an angle like a crescent shape. Doing that helps me get those pieces that are scraggly and are still too long and don't fit with the layers. I ain't even gonna say the cut in the back was not hard. It was so tricky, and putting my head and body at an angle really helped. As the days went on, if I seen a hair out of place, I'd just go in with some scissors and cut it. I really appreciate you watching my video. Stay tuned for more crochet hairstyles, and I'll see you guys in my next video.